Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a video. It's not on the Humvee stuff, but it is on some general welding issues with keeping stuff clean, especially with aluminum. But today at around 2 o'clock, we got a call to ask if we could come look at an ambulance where the rear bumper had fallen off. Took a look at it, and I'll show you what we got. Aluminum on the back of the bumper where the welds were not very sufficient, and take a closer look at them, you can tell they weren't very clean. So the welds broke off, and they really need to get this rig back into service, so we're going to work and get this done so that they have this back for tomorrow morning. As you can see, we're going to pull the bumper off, take this thing apart, we're going to re-weld it, we're going to add some gussets, try to clean some stuff up, reinforce the other side, and take it from there. Okay, now we're back inside. We're gonna start stripping everything down off of the piece that broke off, and we'll get the actual bumper stripped and start seeing what we got to clean up. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for our weekly videos. All right, so we just got that apart. It was a bit of a mess. Had to drill out the old screws that held the diamond plate cover onto the aluminum bumper itself. So now what we'll do is we'll get this cleaned up, we'll get all this aluminum cleaned back up, get this ready for welding. We'll move on, we'll bring the full bumper up, and we'll start cleaning that up. So I just got this piece cleaned up. Took quite a while in the blast cabinet and with the flapper disc. Quite a lot of undercoating. Really took a long time. So move on to the big bumper. And give you guys a close-up of what we got here. And this is why it's important to remove undercoating anytime you have any kind of cracks that you already know about. Start looking all over from where it was. There was one that was buried. See if you can see it so well. Buried in the undercoating. Then we had another one right there. And again, on the other side of the bumper, we found two more. You can see that there. And one over in this corner. It's a hairline, but it's there. So it's very important with undercoating to get it all off, or as much as you can. And here's a close-up of what we had before. So I wanted to check these welds on the inside. And you can see this is not built very well, and that's kind of why this all broke off. All right, so now we're going to get to fitting some of these pieces back together. See what we're going to need to make for it. Looks like the fit up's not too bad. Should be able to lay some filler in there, and we'll make some gussets so there's a little more welding surface to it. And we should just have to take care of the cracks. We should be good to go. All right, so we'll get this clamped up, get it ready for welding. Alright, so now we're in the office. I'm going to make up some gusset plates for that bumper. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, back out the shop. We're going to load the file that we just made. All right, it's all finished. We'll get these off the table. All right, so you can see we got the gussets put in, got them clamped. And we'll get these welded in. Okay, as you can see, got it all done. I'm gonna put the cover back on it. We'll start putting this back together. Got the cover back on, got that screwed down. Bumper's back complete. So that's gonna do it for today. See you guys next time.